What is up, Scatter Crew? So check this out. We got some parts. Parts for the Jeep Wrangler. Now, any guesses on what might be in this box? No? Well, we ordered some doors. Since we took the top off, we basically figured, you know what? Let's get some doors, like little half doors, like just some cheap ones, right? So we went on Amazon, we found some cheap ones, and we bought them. So here we are. You gotta be careful. I think I might have hit the door. Oh yeah, look at that. Ooh, 1, 2, 3, 4. We got four doors. I don't know which one's the front. I'm guessing this one might be a front door. But here they are. So we're gonna put those on. We're gonna put the hardware on these things, and then we're gonna put them on the Jeep, and we're gonna see what they look like. All right, so got the parts, got the door, got this door, got these parts. Basically, we just need to put these hinges on the doors, make sure we got the correct ones on. Then we're gonna go kind of fit it to the door, and then I will tighten those and make sure that our door latches line up. Okay, we got the first door on. I want you to see this. I'm sweating, I don't know if you can see this, but it's hot in here. So basically, we got this mounted up, we got it put on here like that, and then we checked for fitment right here, and then we tightened up those bolts. So that's it. That's all you gotta do. Bam. So we'll show you this, and then once we get all of them installed, we'll take it out in the sun and we'll get you some good pictures and videos. See how they look. How much did we pay for these?
Like 220.
220. 220 for these doors. They're built pretty good. I thought this part was gonna be like plastic stuff, but oh no, it's metal. So far, I give it a 9.9 out of 10. We'll see how the other doors go. What is up, Scatter Crew? Got my doors on. I think she looks fantastic. What do you think? Super easy to install, except I did have one problem with this latch. The latch was loose, so when I went to go shut it, it actually did not work, and it pushed the latch, so I had to move the latch. But other than that, let's go give you a tour. Oh yeah, look at that. Did that just not completely change the look of the Jeep? They're running. Look at that. It looks flippin' fantastic. I like it. It actually looks a lot different than it did on the pictures, but anyways, check that out. I like it. Let me know what you think. Do you like it? Do you not like it? I think I like it. We'll go drive it around. We'll get some pictures. But for the most part, I like it. I like the looks, not gonna lie. For 220 bucks, shipped right to my house. I like it. It's very, very good. Hopefully you guys can't really hear this music playing in the background because I don't want to get, you know, unmonetized. But yo, I'm excited. Anyways, that's it for this video. Super worth it in my opinion, but we need to go test them out. We need to not only test them out, but here in a month or two, kind of let you know what we really feel about them after some usage. I don't see us having too big of a problem with them, but you never know, you could. But that's it. Follow along, subscribe, like the videos, share them with your friends, help us out. Just comment, like, share, do whatever, and then that way we can. Let's see, my daughter's hiding over here. She's hiding. She's hiding. But anyways, yeah. So there's the truck. We don't know what to do with that yet, but in the meantime, we're gonna start putting a little bit of money into the Jeep and the CTSV. So follow along, stay tuned. We're ready to play.